Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Cash App on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash and then log into your account. So just log into your Doordash account. So once I've logged in here, so if you want to add use Cash App, so you just need to add Cash App on your account. So to do that, hit on your account tab here on your top. So click on your account tabs. So when you get to your account tabs here under account, you'll see payment methods. So simply click on payment methods. So when you hit on payment methods here, under add payment method, click on debit or credit card option. So open it up. So when you open this up, now this here, when you get to this screen here where you add the card details, what you have to do is simply add your Cash App card details. So instead of your usual bank card, use your Cash App card and just provide the details of the card and then hit on add card. So once you add this card, so now you can use, when you check out on Doordash, you can use this card here that you just added, your Cash App card, to make the payments. So that's how you can use Cash App on Doordash through the Cash App card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.